Indian forces personnel have martyred 930 children in their unabated acts of state terrorism over the past 37 years in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of the Innocent Children Victims of Aggression revealed that 930 children were among 96,449 Kashmiris martyred by the Indian Forces personnel from January 1989 till date. First 10 days of June will continue to serve as a painful memory for all the Sikhs living in and outside the India when the Indian Army launched murderous assault on the Golden Temple, the Sikhs' holiest shrine in Amritsar, followed by the massacre of the thousands of the Sikhs between June 2 and 10, 1984. The tragic incident, given the code name of the Operation Blue Star, was not just a military action, it was a calculated genocide of the Sikhs. Indian police on Wednesday attached another civilian property under Draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in the Dharamkund area of the Ramban district. The police attached the property and agricultural land measuring 1 canal and 11 marlas under Section 25 of the Black Law, the UAPA. The attached property includes the land measuring 1 canal and 11 marlas registered in the name of a Kashmiri man, Ali Muhammad. Senior all-party Hurriyat Conference leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has condemned the inhuman and the arbitrary dismissal of the 3 more Kashmiri employees from the government service. Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement in Srinagar, called the move despotic. A Kashmiri youth serving in the Indian Army has exposed the Indian forces' role in staging the false flag operations and killing the innocent civilians in the fake encounters in the occupied Kashmir. A video of the Arif Mushtaq, a Kashmiri trooper affiliated with the Indian Army's 29th Rashtriya Rifles, has gone viral on the social media. In the video, he says, "With a heavy heart, I am recording this message on my phone to show the real face of the Indian Army to the people of Kashmir and the world. I had remained silent, but the recent Pahalgam incident, in which 28 innocent people were killed, has compelled me to speak the truth. The Indian government, Intelligence Bureau, RAW and the Indian Army were behind this incident. My conscience no longer allows me to stay silent." 16 opposition parties of the India Alliance have penned a joint letter to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding a special session of the Parliament to discuss the developments following the Pahalgam false flag operation. The letter comes amid calls for a special session of the Parliament to be convened after a multi-party delegation sent abroad as a part of the Indian government's diplomatic outreach returned to the country.